You're probably wondering who I am. My name's Fitzgerald, but my friends call me David because that's my real name. Yes, I'm a nature guru at heart. It's my past, present, and future time. Now, guru is not to be confused with gyro, which is actually a Greek sandwich from Italy, I believe. My uncle was once a gyro. Flowers are a beautiful thing, really. Watch it fly by as the pendulum swings. That's a quote my friend told me before he entered Nirvana. Yosamase. I know he's somewhere out there. Whoa, I scared you. You're probably wondering what I'm doing in these bushes. I'm laying on top of them. It's natural, really. More people should do it. Bushes are my pastime, really. You know, it's the little things that always keep me down. You gotta just kind of get inside the bush. Last night I had a pepperoni pizza for dinner. It was natural, just like the leaves from these branches. Whoa, I scared you. I remember this one time I was washing an apple tree with shampoo and conditioner, just washing its sweet branches. This man came out to me with just anger. He was pure anger. And he said to me, "What the fuck are you doing in my yard?" And then he hit me right here in the face. And I said to him, "Sir, I'm washing your apple tree. I'm washing its sweet branches." And you know what happened? He ascended up into the branches. He became the tree. It was a test. The apple tree was testing me. And that's what's crazy about nature. Just kind of be the nature you wish to be and the change in the world you wish to see. Soil. Soil is the upper layer of earth on which the ground sits. I made a little rap song for my ex-girlfriend Stacy about soil. It basically went like this. Oh, yeah. Soil is the oil on this earth. Even when it boils, it doesn't spoil the love that I have for you, babe. She looked at me and she was like, "We're no longer dating. We haven't dated in 5 years. You need to leave my house." She ultimately ended up filing a restraining order on me after I faxed her a picture of a blueberry plant and my face was cut out and put on all the little blueberries. Just kind of like a little face. I was like, that's my face. That was my face when I was on the blueberries. Yeah. I was arrested 5 times.
I don't know. His name is David, and he hangs around here a lot. We don't really know what's wrong with him. Last week he was here, and he thought he was a birthday cake, and he was telling everybody to blow out his candles.
Blow out my candles, birthday cake. I'm a birthday cake.
What? I went to Safeway. I'm a birthday cake from Safeway. So I'm obviously frosted at an expert level.
David, go home, will ya? Really, go.
Am I outside all the time? I may be a nature guru, but I can be inside too. Sometimes I also like to snort a little bit of this ground cumin. It tastes kind of like cilantro or some sort of Gatorade next gen console. Did you hear that? I think I heard someone's in this room. this yours? Because I'm pretty sure this wasn't here before. God, I gotta get out of here. Raspberry bread. There's gotta be some sort of eggs around here. In all seriousness, I do sleep in the storm drain.